QuickBooks Online uses sales receipts for immediate payments, cash sales, and payment receipts for invoice payments. Sending options vary. For immediate sales, sales receipt. Click Pause New, Sales Receipt under Customers. Select Customer, add products, services, payment method, and deposit account. Enter details and amounts. Click Save and Send, bottom right. Review, should I customize the email, subject, message, attach PDF. Enter customer's email, click Send and close. The receipt emails instantly as a professional PDF. For invoice payments, payment receipt. QBO does not auto-send receipts for payments on invoices. Even with QuickBooks payments, customers get their own confirmation. Workaround. Go to Sales. All sales. Filter for payments. Open the payment, click Print or Preview. Download PDF. Manually email the PDF to the customer. Alternatively, send a statement. Sales. Customers. Select Customer. Create Statement. Shows payments, balances.